Build it, and they will come. Well, technically, the Town Square Mall in Rockaway was already in place, but the state has turned the old Sears store into one of 6 vaccination mega sites put in place throughout the state. New Jersey Governor Phil Murphy, New Jersey Department of Health Commissioner Judith Persicelli, Attorney General Gabir Graywall, Superintendent of State Police Colonel Patrick Callahan, and Congresswoman Mikey Sherrill joined other dignitaries Friday for the start of New Jersey's vaccination effort for sworn-in law enforcement and fire professionals.
As I said on Wednesday, our decision to open up the line for our police and fire personnel was simple. They have similarly put themselves in harm's way for more than 10 months. They've responded to medical emergencies, sometimes being the first on site. They have been the ones responding to calls of large parties or other super spreader gatherings where compliance with masking and common sense was low, but the risk of infection was high. And as Pat has reported, sadly, from time to time, they have been spat upon while on duty by some knuckleheads who have claimed to have had COVID.
About a year ago, when we set up Operation Warp Speed to get a vaccine out to millions of people across the world, people thought it couldn't be done, that we couldn't get the vaccine manufactured, the research and development done, and here we are today seeing that happen, and it's truly, truly amazing.
I'm thrilled that we're opening up these 6 mega sites, and I greatly appreciate all the efforts that went into making vaccinations available on a priority basis for law enforcement and fire professionals across our state.
The 30,000 square foot lower floor of the former Sears store features 20 vaccine stations, some of which are behind curtains for privacy. Several areas are marked off for vaccine recipients to wait 10 to 15 minutes while being observed for any side effects following their injection. About 1,000 people per week will get the vaccine initially, but officials hope to see that number rise to more than 2,400 per day over the next several weeks, depending on how many doses the state receives from the federal government. For New Jersey News Network, I'm Phil Andrews.